Hi, today I want to talk about a new type of digital business model. Something low cost, automated, and designed for modern entrepreneurs who don't want heavy risk and complicated setups. Right now, there is a global shift happening. People are moving away from traditional online businesses that need products, inventory, shipping, customer support, and teams. Automation is replacing a lot of that, and digital ownership, especially crypto friendly systems, is opening doors for businesses that can run globally from day one. In this wave, a new kind of digital backend has emerged. Think of it the way Shopify revolutionized the e commerce space. It made creating a store so easy that everybody started selling online. Now imagine a similar concept for a website based system. Something that takes care of all the heavy lifting so that you can concentrate on strategy and growth. That's the idea behind Kasixno. Kasixno gives you a fully built digital system that you can launch in about 6 minutes. No coding, no hiring a tech team, and no deep learning curve. It starts at around $100, which makes it accessible for beginners, students, and anyone who wants to dip their toes into digital entrepreneurship without risking too much. Now let's understand, why do people explore models like this? This is majorly because you don't need to do any product sourcing, you don't have to take care of inventory, teams, customer support, so on and so forth. Everything is digital, automated, and designed to work globally. So instead of spending months on designing the backend from scratch, people can simply plug into something ready-made and concentrate on growing it. Now let's understand, how do you earn money from it? There are two ways to earn money through this. First, you can earn from owning the automated system itself. It will generate the revenue same as other softwares generate revenue for you. Number two, there's a business network model attached to it, where users earn commissions when some other users join through them. And honestly, why I find this space interesting is because it is representative of how the entrepreneurship space is evolving. Low barriers, flexible setups, and businesses that do not need a lot of physical inventory, and businesses that do not need you to quit your job on day one. If you are curious to know how this automated space works, I have added the link in the description, or you can simply check out Kasixno's website. Take a look, study their model, and you will understand how this space is growing. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another one with another interesting business model. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.